Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and checking another video out. I got another new product just released. It'll actually be able to buy this by the time you watch this video. It's from Lithium Auto Elixirs, and it's cleaning cubes. And yeah, brand new product. Should make cleaning your interior a lot faster, easier, and kind of on the go, on the fly. So let's go over here and open this bag up and let's test it out. Let's go get it. Alright, now, so Lithium sent me these cleaning cubes. It says instantly brings leather, vegan leather, vinyl, rubber back to a shine-free factory look. Even cleans blue denim stains, supposedly. No more shiny steering wheels either. Brings steering wheels back to new, removes stains from white vinyl or vegan leather, removes oil buildup and shine from leather, eliminates blue denim stains. Alright, so again, this is right here. This was brand new, released. I believe it released on May 22nd. They actually sent it to me before it released, but by the time you're watching this video, it will have been released. So, anyway, still sealed, haven't used it. And directions, it says close the garage door to avoid prying eyes. Then grab a damp microfiber towel for rinsing and a dry one for finishing touches. All right. Select the dirtiest vinyl leather in your car, open a cube, and begin scrubbing in a crosshatch pattern for thorough coverage. Wipe with the damp towel and repeat as needed. Remember, melamine is slightly abrasive. Test on hidden spot first. For delicate surfaces, use the cube's felt side. If the cube dries, dip it in water to recharge. Note, cubes wear down with use, so replace as necessary for continued cleaning. Alright. Let's go check it out. All right. Now, here we are, and as stated, we got the damp towel right here. I got my dry towel right here. Now, so we're gonna open this up for the first time right now. And here goes nothing. So it looks like that's an abrasive side. Here's the sponge. Little thing full of, like when you squeeze it, you can actually see that it has like juices in it coming out. So now we're going to take the wet dip rag, as stated, and wipe it around. And then you got the dry one. Well, you can see where it kind of like cleaned it a little bit. Seats really weren't that dirty, I guess. But I can see on this side, I don't know if you can see right here or not. This got like more of a shine on it. This doesn't. But look, you can actually see the dirt it got off. Actually, now I've looked at the sponge. Oh, is that not going to focus? Oh, it's not going to focus on there. Oh, I got to lean over. Just out of focus. Look. See that dirt on there? It actually took off. Can actually see it. So it actually took off some dirt. I'm gonna use this on the steering wheel now, like it says you could do. Let's just move you guys right here like this. See if I can get you guys a good angle. How we look. Oh yeah, you can see that. Just focus the camera now. Now, steering wheel's got some shine on it, so we're gonna take this and do it just like it says. Look at that. Look at that dirt. That's crazy. Look at that dirt. Nope, not gonna focus. Okay. Now we got our damp rag again. Whoa, now that, I don't know if y'all can see that on this camera or not, but that steering wheel looks brand freaking new. Wow. Feels new too. Holy cow. Off my little cube. Right here. That's all it is. I didn't have to use the abrasive side. I'm impressed. I like this. Easy, clean on the go. Very nice. Vinyl rubber plastic, guys, right here. Check this out. I'm going to have it, if it's available on my Amazon, at the time of filming this video, it's going to be in my Amazon store, guaranteed. If it's not available yet, it will be eventually, and it'll be there. So again, check that out. Look at that dirt. That just came off of half of the seat and the steering wheel. And look at that. There's not shine. There's nothing like that. And it looks OEM. It looks brand new OEM, actually, straight out the factory. Look at that. That's cool. Now, I know the camera probably ain't gonna do it justice because it's kind of shooting outside. I've not really perfected filming inside of a car yet. But, so if it turns out crappy, sorry about that, guys. But this stuff works really well. I'm actually gonna see if I can't get you guys some other footage somehow and post that to my social media sites. So check it out, guys. I like it a lot. This stuff is great. Actually, I'm gonna try to come over there and film it on the door real quick. Alright, so we're gonna put this on the door now. Whoops, it's in the car door. It says vinyl rubber plastic, so let's get it on some of this. So look, you squeeze it, see the stuff comes out. take our wet rag and just, or damp, not wet, but damp. And just wipe that. That stuff is great, actually. Look at that, right back like it was raw at the factory. I mean, there's no greasy residue. I'm touching it with my hand now. It's dried. It dried. I actually didn't need to even really hit it with this. Maybe a little bit right here, but it has dried, and it feels brand new. There's no residue. There's nothing like that. So. Again, you guys, this stuff is the little lithium elixirs cube right here. So make sure you guys, if you're looking for something to restore your finishes on your car back to that matte OEM look, go ahead and pick you guys up some of this. All right, guys, so a little, I'm on my last cube, but this is something I thought about doing. This is a clean matte, right? It just looks like it's got like a browning effect to it, and I have tried things on it that will not clean it. Now, I just tried a cube on another matte. Now, whatever the stuff is that's in this cube is amazing. Just watch. Just watch. Now, because the matte is like rugged on the sides, it's going to like shred this cube, but it works so good on mattes. Like, let me just get some of this juice out here. Now, on the matte, you can use the scrubby side too if you want, because it's more abrasive. Now, that did not say to use this on mattes. I just thought about it because it says it's rubber. I thought to myself, maybe it'll clean these mattes really well. And lo and behold, it does. I mean, wait for this. This is... Now we got our wet rag, just like it says, damp, all right? And we're going to just then we got our drying rag. And look at that. Just look at that matte. That is crazy. All right, guys, I just had to add that in there. It's always hard for me to film inside of a car. I apologize. I suck at that. Anyway, like, comment, share. If you have any questions, drop them below. Till next time, guys. See ya. Bye.